Hello everyone, welcome back to Do What Now. In today's video, join along with me and let's draw this cute monkey. So on your paper, let's draw the shape that makes the monkey. So for the head, we're going to draw a circle, and for the body, a rectangle, but broader at the base. So make sure you do not press your pencil too hard because we need to use this as a reference only. And next we're going to draw rectangles for making his hands. Two rectangles just like that, forming in a shape of a L, and the other hand waving to us, and the palm giving it a circular shape. Moving forward, we're going to draw his legs. That's again a rectangle but slightly tilted, and the other part of the leg with a rectangle, and the tail follows like an inverted S, and the big ears, two circles. Great job! Now let's start making the face. It's more like an M, you can draw along with me, and the eyes circular in shape. Let's make sure they're big enough, and the nose a little small N, and just giving him a smile. So these are the shapes that make the monkey. Now we're going to slightly erase the artwork, the shapes, and then we're going to do the artwork properly now. Now this gives us the reference. Moving forward, we're going to start with the head, and moving on, we're going to draw his big ears and the curves on his ears, just like that. Please follow along. If I'm fast, you can pause the video. We're going to draw a few hairs sticking out from the top of his head, just like that. Great job. And the other side of the head going all the way to his cheeks. Hey, did you know that not all primates are monkeys? Apes and llamas are separate groups. Great job. Now next we're going to draw the bottom part of his face. Moving on to the other part of the ear. Great job. Let's draw his cheeks now, and the part of his eye, the eyebrow, all the way down to the other part of the cheek. Hey, did you know that the smallest monkey is called pygmy marmoset, and it weighs around 100 grams? That's like a weight of a banana. And moving towards his eyes, you create an N, and a slight bend on the bottom part of his eyes, and another N internally to create the pupil. And let's color the inner part of the eyes with black. Great job. Hey, did you know that the name of the loudest monkey is called howler monkey, and their shout can be heard at least 3 miles away. We're going to create the sparkle in the eye, like 3 dots, one a bigger dot and smaller 2 dots. A tiny M, and creating a smile just like that. Nice. Now he's looking cute and almost there, complete with his face. Moving on, we're going to create the hand. Let's use the reference of the rectangle. Create a little muscles and bends and curves in a way to create more originality onto the image. And we're going to create his fingers. Oops, I made a mistake. Make sure you have an eraser next to you so that you can erase it and redo it. Yes, looking good. Moving on, we're going to create the part of the chest. And the other side of his hand, adding a little muscle, and then moving on to his fist, the thumb, and the other fingers as follows. Finger drawing can be a little difficult, but then as you keep drawing it, you'll get there. Even I find it difficult, so yeah. Hey, did you know that some monkeys are so smart they can use tools such as rocks to crack open nuts? Moving on, we're going to draw him sitting down, and following that, we're going to draw his feet. Good job. Hey, did you know there's a monkey called the spider monkey, and they don't have thumbs, but their tails acts like an extra hand to help them out. Amazing. We're just completing one part of his leg. Moving on to the other part of the leg, making him feel like he's sitting down, and drawing his feet and his toes. Hey, did you know that some monkeys, like the golden lion tamarin, pick up their partners and stay together forever? Wow. And moving on to create his tail. Good job. Moving forward, we're going to create his textures for the hair. Just few with lines around his chin and in between his ears, and out of few hairs sticking out of his ears, and few lines around his eyes just to show his wrinkles, though he's not too old, and some fluff of hair around his neck and his legs, differentiating his feet from his leg, and also his hands. So guys, if you're liking the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it, and like the video. Thank you so much. So these sort of hatch line effects actually brings out the life in the artwork. Moving on, we're going to create his teeth, and the lower part we're going to fill up with color, black color. The hatching effect can take some time. Next, we're going to start coloring the image. I'm going to pick up my pink color and going to do it a little differently. So you can be creative, you can choose your own color. Around the head, I'm going to color pink, and the hairs that stick out, I'm going to color pink. And for the hands and the body, I'm going to color pink. So it's a pink monkey. Again, wrapping the pink up with a tail, and we are done with the pink color. Next, we're going to move forward for the legs, the part that is exposed, not colored. I'm going to pick up a, I'm going to pick up a beige color, a light peach color sort of. Again, you can pick up any color of your choice. And above his eyes, his nose, and the other side of his eyes too. Looking good. So what we're doing now is the flat color. Moving forward, we're going to create shadow effects and highlights. And finishing off with the ears. We're going to now create the shadow effects around his eyes and his cheek. And below his eyes to give a pop to his eyes. And the ears follows. Next, we're going to create the shadow effects of the areas that are pink in color. A darker pink you can pick up. So guys, make sure you watch the other videos of animals that I've drawn. Thank you so much. We're getting to the end of the video. We're going to wrap it up with some highlights. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.